Hi, welcome back to my video. In this video, you are going to learn how to find the HTTP enum way back by using auxiliary scanner in the Metasploit. This model pulls up and perhaps the URL stored by archive.org for the purpose of replaying during a web assessment. It's just like a finding unlinked or old pages. So now I'm going to click on my termX, then typing cd Metasploit framework, then pressing enter, and next typing ls command. So here you can see the files and folders present in the MSF framework. So next I'm loading up the MSF console by typing /MSF console. It takes a little bit of time. Okay, now it's loaded up. Next I am going to use auxiliary model by typing use auxiliary /scanner /http /enum _ wayback. So next checking up the information of model by typing info. So now here you can see the information like domain output file. For the domain we have to add the URL, and for the output file we have to give the file name, and it stores all the URLs present in the website. So next setting up the domain by typing set domain sackhacken.com, and next for the output file set out file sackhack. I'm setting the file name as sackhack. So next at last run, then pressing enter. I'm going to wait for a while for the output. So now here you can see the output information. It says that pulling the URLs from the archive.org, and it has located 4 addresses from sackhacken.com and writing URLs to the sackhack. Finally it has created a output file. So now I am going to exit this session by typing Ctrl+C and next typing ls command. Here you can see the file sackhack. Now I am going to open this file by typing nano sackhack.txt. So now here you can see the URLs present in the website, and these are the recently viewed page by the enum users. So that's how you are going to find the URLs stored by archive.org. That's all in this video. Thank you.